Top 5 high-paying tech careers in 2026. 1. AI/machine learning engineer. These engineers build intelligent systems, like recommendation engines, chatbots, and predictive models. Skills needed: Python, machine learning, deep learning, generative AI. Average salary can exceed $150,000 globally due to strong demand for AI expertise. 2. Cloud architect. Cloud architects design and manage large cloud infrastructures. They work with platforms like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Key skills: cloud architecture, infrastructure design, security, and scalability. Cloud roles can reach $200K plus globally because nearly every company is moving to the cloud. 3. Data scientists. Data scientists analyze large datasets to generate business insights. They help companies make smarter decisions. Key skills: Python, statistics, machine learning, data visualization. Data science roles remain among the highest paid tech jobs worldwide. 4. Cybersecurity engineer. Cybersecurity professionals protect systems, networks, and data. As cyber attacks increase, demand for security experts continues to grow. Key skills: network security, ethical hacking, threat detection, zero trust security. Security roles can earn $120K, $160K plus globally. 5. DevOps/site reliability engineer. These engineers ensure applications run smoothly in production. They automate deployment and maintain system reliability. Key skills: C/CD pipelines, cloud infrastructure, containers, and Kubernetes automation tools. SRE and DevOps roles often earn $150K plus globally due to their impact on system stability. The real trend: the highest paying tech careers in 2026 revolve around 3 things: AI, cloud infrastructure, data, and security. Professionals who combine these skills will have the strongest salary growth and career demand in the coming years.